everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gangeshwari from Techvaria. As you know that Odoo portal user cannot fill timesheet from the portal side. To overcome this problem, Techvaria has developed a custom module. Using that module, any portal user can fill timesheet from the portal side. So let's start the video. For that, first we will activate our module. For that, we will go to apps, just search timesheet. Okay, you can see that I have already activated my app. After that, I will go to employee. Here I have already created the employee, and my employee is connected with the portal user, which is Jiki. Okay, after that we will go to project. Here we will create a new project. Here you can see that I have already created our project, security guard service. Here you can see a field allowed user. So here you have to assign your portal user, because only allowed user can access this project in portal side. Okay, and only allowed user can fill the timesheet for this project and task. Okay, so here I have created a project. For this project I will create a task. Here let me create a task. Task name is security for customer. Okay, assignee is Siki. Just add it. Okay, just open it. Here you can see timesheet is empty for now. Just allocate time. I'm adding 8 hours. Just save it. Okay, after that we will log in as a portal user as a Ziki. So I have already logged in my incognito mode. Okay, so here I will go to my account, and here you can see the timesheet. Okay, so here Jiki can see all the timesheet. Okay, after that you will see project. Okay, here you can see the security guard service project. Here we will search for the task, security guard for customer. Here, okay, just open the task, and here you will see a button at timesheet. Using this button you can fill the timesheet. Just select the date. I'm just adding for the 28. Okay, and here you will see a time button or icon, time icon. Using this icon you can select the time. I will select for the okay, so this is 24-hour time icon. Just select 2 and 30 p.m. Okay, just 2 and 30 hour, 2 hour and 30 minutes. It's not PM AM, it's just time. It's an hour, just 2 hours and 30 minutes. Just add the description. Save it. After that go back. Okay, and just refresh it. After refreshing, the manager can see your timesheet under timesheet tab. Okay, now we will go back in portal side. Here you will see 2 buttons, edit and delete. Using edit, portal user can edit time. Just select the date, and here select hours. I want to select 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so description changed. Submit it. Okay, after that you can see the remaining time is 2 hours and 30 minutes, and total spent time is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Now we will go back and just refresh it. Let's go to time. Here you can see my time is changed now. So back, and we will check our time sheet. Here you can see all the time sheets. Sorry. Okay, this is my filled time sheet. So this is how you can fill time sheet as a portal user. If you have any doubts, then you can write in a comment section, and you can also email us in info@techvaria.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.